Ever wonder how the world's top entrepreneurs are making millions while sipping their morning coffee? Here's a secret, they're using AI. And now you can too, with AI Billionaire, from bots to billions. Meet Emily, working long hours, grinding away but barely moving the needle. That was before she discovered the power of AI. Now, she's automating tasks, scaling her business and, oh yeah, making more money than ever before. She's not hustling harder, she's hustling smarter. Then there's Mike, dad, full-time worker, side hustler. He's tired of the same routine. But when he picked up AI Billionaire, everything changed. Mike started using AI tools to boost his side gig and now, he's finally free from that paycheck-to-paycheck life. What about you? Are you ready to stop working for money and let AI do the work for you? With AI Billionaire, you'll discover the exact tools and steps to make that happen. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it. Click the link and grab your copy now. AI isn't the future, it's your right now. Why let someone else get rich when it could be you? Ready to join the ranks of the AI elite? Your journey to millions starts with one click. Get AI Billionaire and take control of your financial destiny today. Click the link below to grab your copy.